Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on chart settings, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so you keep going down, you come here to portrait here and landscape mode, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here portrait on the landscape mode enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.